So, hello everybody. My name is Dee, and this is Queen Status. So, I got another package today from Beeos hair. Beeos, something like that. This is probably like my third or fourth unit from them. I always get so excited. I haven't been disappointed yet. So, let's crack her open and see what we got. So this is the packaging. This is the box. And they have a little security seal right there. So let's just cut that off. And y'all, I have been waiting for this package for a minute now. I was supposed to get it for my birthday. It was on July 3rd. But please still be here in time for my anniversary. So let's see what we got. This is what it's on the inside of it. And I ordered 2 units. Let's see. Make sure they're both in here. Okay. So far, so good. This is, let's see this right here. This is the first unit. Okay, and this is a 13 by 4 curly unit, and it has, let's see, 4 combs. Yes, 2 on the side, 1 in the front, 1 in the back. And look at here, adjustable straps and the adjustable band in the back. I say this lace is not the hardest, kind of medium, I guess. The hair is soft, feels good. It's like a shade of brown. The unit is really soft. And it's 12 inches. Okay. I am ready to slay her. But it's probably gonna be on another day. Probably over the weekend. I'll come back with a how do I look video, I guess. I don't know. I may do a get ready with me. I don't know yet. This is my first YouTube video ever, so y'all need to go like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead on over there and do that. Okay, so this is the first unit. If y'all have any questions about her, you can just leave me a comment and I'll be glad to answer any questions that you have. Okay, so, and I like to name my units, so if y'all have a name for her, let me know. On to the second little baby. Oh, she fancy. This is another 13 by 4 unit. It is 12 inches as well. The adjustable strap has the same standard 4 combs, adjustable strap in the back. It looks to be somewhat tinted. It's like a light brown, but nothing a little concealer wouldn't help, you know. Can you see that? Trying to, maybe, let's try my other arm. Can you sort of see? So it should melt pretty good. Okay. This is a, like a body wave bob, so to speak. You know, I'm not getting any shedding so far. I would say there are a lot of flyaways in here, so you're gonna need your wax stick for this one, which I have a Milani wax stick that I love. It's both of these wigs are 150% density, so I mean, I guess a natural texture, a natural density, I guess. And can you see the different colors of blonde in there? But I don't know. And it's supposed to be pre-plucked, and it's pretty well pre-plucked. I mean, I may go in there and do a little extra. Can you guys see that? I don't know if you can see it or not, but can you see that? Sorta. See that? Again, this one is soft as well. I would put them on, let you see, but you see, my hair is in its natural state right now, and it's a little poofy and frizzy from the humidity here in the boot. Louisiana, for those that don't know, I am a Louisiana girl. Who dat? Rise up. But this is the cap construction. You guys, you see that? It's not a full 360 lace, you know, but we can still make it do what it do. I will slay her regardless. And it is super soft, you guys. And I haven't got no shedding. None. And I like these different colors of blonde in there. I wish you guys could. Maybe that's a little bit better. Can y'all see? I'll come back and do a final look for you guys in a few days, probably over the weekend. I haven't decided which one I'm going to wear for my anniversary, so who knows. But yeah, the flyaways are crazy on here, but I can make it work. I can make it work. It doesn't have a smell. It smells nice, actually. But yeah, this is a 13x4. You may get a little bit of parting space, like maybe right up in, it's a little enough, you know. But yep, this is her. I don't know, you guys tell me which one you like the most. Blonde baddie or brown shorty? You tell me. Let's see what else we got in this box. Okay, we got some, they gave us some little to lay down our edges. Some elastic band. That's helpful. Of course, you got the standard wig caps. I got two of those, 2 wigs, 2 of those, I suppose. A little description of your order. Not too many goodies in here, you know, but what is this? Choose. Thank you so much for shopping from Beeos. It means a lot and encourages us to keep going. We hope you love your new wig and are committed to a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If for any reason you do not totally like it, we are here offering you a convenient exchange and return service. So it's just a little, if you don't like it, a little survey, you tell them why you don't like it and how to return it. That's neat. Now, I will say I normally order my Beeos wigs from Amazon, but I did not this time. I elected to order directly from the site, which it was a long process of getting it here, but they had great customer service, so I give them a thumbs up for that. And this video is not sponsored. Again, this is my very first YouTube video. I bought these wigs with my own sheer money. Okay, so yeah, you guys should check them out. I will try these on in a later video, and I'll do an update of a first day wear, and then I'll do a follow-up on how it lasted through this Louisiana heat and humidity and everything else around here. So thank you guys for tuning in. Till next time, be blessed.